Okay, so once again you are welcome. Today we are to solve 6 whole number 3 over 8 times 4 over 5 minus 7 whole number 7 over 15 divided by 224 divided by 135, all divided by 2 over 5 plus 3 whole number 1 over 30 times 6 over 7. Okay, so let's move on with the solution. But before we start with the solution, please make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure you share the videos. Thank you very much. So we have 6 whole number 3 over 8 times 4 over 5 minus 7 whole number 7 over 15 divided by 224 over 135, all divided by 2 over 5 plus 3 whole number 1 over 30 times 6 over 7. So what we do first is we change all the mixed fractions into improper fraction. So 6 whole number 3 over 8 is a mixed fraction. 7 whole number 7 over 15 is also a mixed fraction. 3 whole number 1 over 30 is also a mixed fraction. So we have to change all these mixed fractions to improper fraction. To change mixed fraction to improper fraction, we multiply 8 by 6, then we add it to 3 over 8. 8 times 6 will give us 48. So 48 plus 3 will give us 51 over 8 times 4 over 5 minus, then we change this mixed fraction also to improper fraction, and that one too we multiply 15 by 7, which will give us 105 plus 7, which will give us 112 over 15. Then we change this division sign to multiplication. Then we find the reciprocal of 224 over 135. That one will also give us 135 over 224 all over. Then we come to the down values. We have 2 over 5 plus, then we change this mixed fraction to improper fraction by multiplying 30 by 3, which will give us 90, plus 1, which will give us 91 over 30 times 6 over 7. I hope you are following it. So I said first we change all these mixed fractions to improper fraction. So to change 6 whole number 3 over 8 to improper fraction, we multiply 8 by 6, then we add it to 3 over 8, and that is what we have here, 51 over 8 times 4 over 5 minus, then we change this mixed fraction also to improper fraction, and that one is also done by multiplying 15 by 7, then we add it to 7 over 15. That one also gave us 112 over 15. Then we change this division sign to multiplication. Then we find the reciprocal of 224 over 135, and that one also gave us 135 over 224 all over 2 over 5 plus, then we change this mixed fraction to improper. And that one is also done by multiplying 30 by 3, and then we add it to 1 over 30, and we got 91 over 30 times 6 over 7. Okay, so 4 cancels itself 1, and then 4 cancels 8 2 times. 112 will cancel itself 1, and then we'll cancel 224 2 times. 15 will cancel itself 1, and will cancel 135 9 times. 7 will cancel itself 1, and then cancel 91 13 times. 6 will cancel itself 1, and then will cancel 30 5 times. So we have 51 over 2 times 1 over 5 minus 1 over 1 times 9 over 2 all over 2 over 5 plus 13 over 5 times 1 over 1. I hope you understand. So we have 51 over 2 times 1 over 5 minus 1 over 1 times 9 over 2 all over 2 over 5 plus 13 over 5 times 1 over 1. So we multiply 51 times 1 is still 51, and then 2 times 5 is 10, minus 1 times 9 is also 9, then 1 times 2 is what? 2. Okay, so we have 51 over 10 minus 9 over 2. When we come to the down 2, we have 13 times 1, which is 13, and then 5 times 1, which is also what? 5. So the down is also going to give us 2 over 5 plus 13 over 5. I hope you understand. So we'll simplify the top value. When we finish, then we simplify the down value. And the top value, we have to subtract 51 over 10 minus 9 over 2. And then the down value, we have to add 2 over 5 plus 13 over 5. So let's start with the top one first. So we have to subtract 51 over 10 minus 9 over 2. And that one, what we do is we find the LCM of the denominators, that is 10 and 2. And our LCM is going to be 10. Okay, so we have our LCM, which is 10. Then 10 goes into 10 1. So 1 multiplies 51 to give us what? 51. Minus 2 goes into 10 5 times. So 5 multiplies 9 to give us 45. All over. Then we come to the down part. So we have to simplify the down value. And we have to add 2 over 5 plus 13 over 5. So that one too, we find the LCM of the denominators, which is 5. So our LCM, which is 5. So 5 goes into 5 1. 1 multiplies 2 to give us what? 2. 5 goes into 5 1. And then 1 multiplies 13 to give us what? 13. Okay, so 51 minus 45 will give us what? 6 over 10. That is for the top value. Then our down value to 2 plus 13 will give us what? 15 over the LCM, which is 5. So what we are going to do is we are dividing 6 over 10 by 15 over 5. And how do we do that? Okay, so we maintain 6 over 10, then the division sign here we'll change it to multiplication. Then we find the reciprocal of 15 over 5, which is what? 5 over 15. I hope you are following it. Okay, so we maintain 6 over 10. We change the division sign to multiplication. Then we find the reciprocal of 15 over 5, which is going to give us 5 over 15. Okay, so 5 cancels itself 1, and then cancels 10 2. So 3 cancels 6 2 times, and 3 cancels 15 5 times. 2 cancels 2. Okay, this 2 will just cancel this 2. So we'll be left with what? 1 over 5. So our final answer is going to be 1 over 5.